Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be video number 1 of a series that I am calling the DIY Dust Bag Lookbook. So if you have been following my channel, you may have saw the last few videos of me actually showing you how I make my dust bags. So today is a really dreary and rainy kind of day, as you can see. So I thought, what better way to bring some sunshine to my day, and that was to do a lookbook of the dust bags that I have made so far. So if you are interested in seeing my DIY lookbook collection of dust bags, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.